do you get Social Security disability? You can just call your local office and apply. Don't do that. Stay tuned and I'll tell you why not. If you do not subscribe to the Medicare Families channel, please hit the subscribe button. We do one video a week on Medicare, retirement, Social Security. Many people think that it's easy to get disability. It is very, very far from the truth. It's very hard to get disability. Almost everybody is declined when they first apply. Almost an impossible mountain to climb, unless you hire an attorney. So I highly recommend that you do a search for attorneys that specialize in Social Security disability near you. Now you might say, I don't have any money, I'm disabled. How am I gonna afford an attorney? The attorneys will get paid out of your back pay if you are approved. So Social Security has payment rules that protect you so you're not gonna get taken advantage of, okay? So if an attorney does not think that you're gonna get it, they're not even gonna take your case. If they take your case, they can get paid up to 25% of your back payments from the day you file, which tells you right there that there's a long time between when you file and when you're actually gonna get it. That money accrues, and out of that back pay, the government allows your attorney to get 25% up to a maximum of $6,000. So the attorney that takes your case expects to get paid up to $6,000 and to have to wait quite a long time to get that money. It's completely worth it to you because without hiring an attorney, your chances of getting disability are very, very slim. Okay? Now, there are some things that are fast-tracked, such as late-stage cancer, such as end-stage renal disease, multiple sclerosis. But for most things, doesn't matter how bad it is, doesn't matter if you're on short-term disability from work, doesn't matter if you have a disability rating from the military. With Social Security disability, there's too many people, too much demand that they can't take everybody. So they have all these hurdles they won't admit to dissuade people from applying for disability. And the number one is they just deny everybody when you first apply, make you appeal, make you go through all these hoops, hoping that a lot of people will just give up. Okay, that's just the reality. So I think there's a big misconception that if you're disabled, that you're gonna get it, that you're entitled to it, and that you're right. And it's very, very difficult to actually qualify and get Social Security disability. Your best course of action is to search for an elder law attorney that specializes in this. You're not just gonna get an attorney. You're not gonna call your family attorney. You're not gonna ask your brother-in-law. This has to be somebody that specializes in this, and they will know the best way to expedite your case, and they will give you very realistic expectations on your ability to get approved, and if so, how long that's gonna take. Because it takes a couple years on average. Most people are gonna take 2 years. What state you live in actually impacts your likelihood of getting approved, which makes no sense. Because Social Security is a federal program. It's the same across the whole country. So you'll get the same amount no matter where you live, or if you move, your amount doesn't change. But some states have a bigger backlog of cases, so you're much less likely to get approved there, such as Alaska. It's one of the worst states to get approved. Hawaii, its little cousin there, is the quickest state to get approved. And you can Google what your likelihood is in your state. It's kind of interesting. That data, it's all out there on Google. Google is your friend. I'm also your friend. So is my whole family here at the Medicare Family. 3 generations of my family helping people get ready for retirement. So if you have questions, you never pay extra to work with us, ask us in the comments below, or call us here at the Medicare Family, or you can email me directly, Sylvia, Sylvia, @themedicarefamily.com.